Chapter 14 Law MCQ Registers and Returns. Section 92 of Companies Act 2013 states about annual return. Accounting books are also known as statistical books. Under Section 88, dash number of are to be maintained by companies. 6. Which of the following register is not to be maintained statutorily? Register of LOTs. An index of securities is not necessary to be maintained if the number of security holders are less than 50. The company shall inform the dash about the foreign address within dash days from the date of keeping foreign register in ROC 30 MGT 3. Inform the ROC within 30 days MGT 3. Where any person who is not member but does hold any interest, such person make declaration of dash form MGT 4. Declaration in respect of section 89 shall be given by IFSC company within 60 days. Company other than dash is under obligation to give declaration of beneficial interest, government. The register of company can be closed for any period not exceeding in the aggregate dash dash in the year 45. Data fixed by the company for taking record of its shareholder is called record data. Record date. A company may keep its register at any place in India where more than dash total members resides, 1/10. A limited is willing to keep its statutory registers at a place in India where more than dash total members resides, SR. If company has not rectified the register of member and direction of NCLT, the company shall be liable to penalty not less than dash and not exceeding dash, 1 lakh, 5 lakh. Return which are required when contingency arises are called casual returns. Annual returns is to be filed in form dash 2 in dash dash. MDT 7 ROC 60 days. A private company is exempted for disclose in its annual return. Remuneration of KMP. Certification of annual report by PCS to be given under MGT 8. Annual report of company is to be certified by PCS if paid up capital 10 crore, turnover 50 crore, either A or B. So either A or B. Last one, section 93 is applicable to listed company. That's it.